How often should filters in return vents be replaced, and how do I know when they need to be changed?
Hello, everyone. Today we're delving into a crucial aspect of your home's heating, ventilation, and air conditioning (HVAC) system, maintaining and replacing filters in your return vents. It might not seem like a big deal, but regular filter changes can drastically improve your air quality and the efficiency of your HVAC system. In this video, we'll discuss how often these filters need to be replaced and how to identify when it's time for a change.
Why is replacing filters in return vents important?
Return vents play a critical role in your HVAC system, drawing in air to be heated or cooled before sending it back out into your living spaces. The filters in these vents work tirelessly to remove dust, allergens, and other particles from the air, ensuring cleaner, healthier air in your home. However, over time, these filters can get clogged, which leads to decreased efficiency of your HVAC system and poorer air quality. That's why timely replacement is crucial.
How often should filters in return vents be replaced?
The frequency of filter replacement can vary based on several factors. As a general rule of thumb, it's recommended to replace your return vent filters every 60 to 90 days. However, this can change based on your home's air quality. If you notice excessive dust or have allergies, you may need to change filters more frequently. Number of occupants. More people usually mean more dust and debris, leading to filters getting dirty faster. Pets. Homes with pets may need to change filters more often due to pet hair and dander. Air pollution. If you live in an area with high air pollution, it may necessitate more frequent filter changes. For homes with pets or those with occupants with allergies, changing filters every 30 to 45 days is usually optimal.
How do I know when my filters need to be changed?
Sometimes, despite best estimates, your filters may need to be replaced sooner. Some key signs that indicate it's time for a change include decreased airflow. If you notice weaker airflow from your vents, it could mean your filters are clogged. Increased energy bills. A dirty filter makes your HVAC system work harder, which can result in higher energy bills. Visual check. Lastly, you can simply take a look at the filter. If it's visibly dirty or clogged, it's time for a replacement. To check, you just need to remove the vent cover and pull out the filter. If the filter shows a buildup of dust and debris, or if you can't see through it when held up to the light, it's time for a new one. Keeping on top of your return vent filter maintenance is key to keeping your home's air clean and your HVAC system running efficiently. Remember to replace your filters every 60 to 90 days as a standard, but adjust this as necessary based on your home's conditions. Stay vigilant for signs of a clogged filter, like decreased airflow and increased energy bills. Thanks for watching, and here's to cleaner, healthier air in your home.